The following message transmitted at the request of the India Geological Survey at approximately 9 am Indian Standard Time. There's an earthquake with a preliminary magnitude of 8.0 on the Richter scale that has struck Cosmopolis. All residents receiving this message are advised to evacuate immediately. Stay tuned for information.
This is India Today News with a special report coming out of Cosmopolis area. Several small earthquakes have been reported in Tamil Nadu. Most of these quakes have been relatively small, ranging in magnitude scale. Only slight damage has been reported near the epicenter of the earthquake. This is India Today News for further.
Going to be so surprised when she sees me roller skate up to her. Where's my other skate?
Tow truck.
Max, that's my roller skate. Not a tow truck. There. Now, let's go! Max, I can't roller skate with all your toys in the way.
Tow truck.
Max, your tow-a-ton tow truck isn't in the box, and we need to keep the path clear. Here, help me pick up your toys. My jump rope. How did that get mixed up with your cars? I'll put it away later.
Tow truck.
Okay, Max. Maybe you left your tow-a-ton tow truck in the backyard. I'll go look for it.